Wheatgrass can be grown and prepared at home or purchased in juice, powder, or supplement form. Some claim it can do everything from detoxifying the liver to improving immune function and boost weight loss. Nevertheless, wheatgrass delivers many amazing benefits. Let's see what happens to your body if you drink wheatgrass daily. Number 1, it will boost circulation. Wheatgrass can increase the level of oxygen that the blood can store. It is also packed with iron to stimulate the body to produce greater quantities of red blood cells. Number 2, it will detoxify the liver. Wheatgrass juice can act as a detoxifying agent and flush unwanted toxins from the body. Wheatgrass is also known to stimulate liver function and help the liver get rid of unwanted toxins on its own. Number 3, wheatgrass will speed up healing. One of the top benefits of wheatgrass is its iron content, and that helps in increasing red blood cells in the body. This in turn helps the body repair injuries and wounds quickly. Number 4, it will get rid of odor. Wheatgrass contains chlorophyll, which offers great health benefits. Chlorophyll is also known for its effectiveness in getting rid of bacteria, so drinking wheatgrass juice on a regular basis is an effective way to improve your breath. Number 5, it will treat arthritis. The chlorophyll in wheatgrass fights swelling that causes stiffness and pain. This is also one of the best remedies for arthritis, and you will also find this as an excellent and effective pain reliever. Number 6, it will reduce fatigue. If you are feeling fatigued and your body is not in top shape, your blood cells cannot carry as much oxygen or blood that it needs. The good thing is that wheatgrass is packed with iron that increases the level of red blood cells in the body. With a higher level of these cells, you can effectively combat fatigue. Number 7, it will prevent cancer. Wheatgrass is loaded with chlorophyll that purifies blood and eliminates toxins, free radicals, carcinogens, and chemicals. This is effective for cancer prevention. Number 8, it accelerates weight loss. Wheatgrass juice is ultimately filling, therefore it suppresses the appetite and stops cravings. This also balances the level of hormones, which is the key to dealing with excessive weight. Number 9, it will boost your immunity. Wheatgrass juice has amino acids and enzymes that protect the body from harmful carcinogens and pathogens that lead to serious illnesses. The nutrients of this juice also strengthen individual cells in the body. And finally, number 10, it will improve fertility. Drinking wheatgrass juice enhances libido and sex drive. This gives individuals lots of energy and boosts circulation. With all of these amazing benefits, I'd say it's best to get started drinking wheatgrass juice right now. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please share with your friends or family or leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification button to be one of the first people to know when we put out a new video. Once again, thank you.